Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change email address on Netflix. If you are looking for a way to change your email address for your Netflix account, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in netflix.com and search. Once you log into your Netflix account, from the main homepage of Netflix, go ahead and mouse over to your profile avatar. Now click on the account button in the pop-up. After opening up account option, click on the security button on the left hand side menu. Once you pop open the security account details page, click on your email address. Now click on change email button, and in order to change your email address, you'll either need to confirm your identity with a text code sent to your mobile device or with a verification code sent to your email. Choose any one option and once you receive the code, type it in when prompted. After you verify yourself, it'll take you to a new page where you can enter your new email address for Netflix. You'll also need to verify that email address, and that way you will be able to change your email on Netflix. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.